Welcome to the pose of the week. So maybe you're new to yoga, or maybe you would like to improve on your postures and refine your alignment. By the end of this video, you will know what to work on and what to look out for to improve in the pose. For tips and challenges to help you progress in your yoga practice, just go ahead and subscribe to the channel on YouTube if you're watching this on Facebook, and hit the bell so you can get notified every time a new video gets added. I'm Virginie, certified Hatha, Yin, Kids and Family Yoga teacher. Let's get started. Pose of the week is down dog. Remember to properly warm up before attempting the pose. So down dog or downward facing dog is a full limb pose. So we're using the hands and the feet. And again, it's a very good pose to stretch the back of the legs, stretching the back, reinforcing the deep core muscles that start to build strength in the arm and the upper body. So let's get started. For this one, if we need to, we can use a couple of blocks to place underneath the hands if that feels better for you, especially if you have kind of wrist pain or a bit of arthritis. Just to soften the pressure underneath the hands and the angle of the hands. If you're good without them, then let's put them aside. So we will start on all four, just to make sure that we've got the right distance apart between the hands and the feet. So from this all four position, we're going to make sure that we're aligning all the joints properly. So that means having the knees directly underneath the hips and hip width apart. Having the hands directly underneath the shoulders, stacking the wrist, the elbow, and the shoulders. We're going to inhale to tuck the toes under at the back. On your exhale, I'm going to send the hips up, the heels down. So we're straightening the legs and lengthening through the spine. So this is the base of the pose here. On your next inhale, lengthen the spine again. So do that slight tilt off the pelvis. Again, just imagine that you've got a tail and you're trying to reach the tip of the tail to the ceiling. Lengthen through that tailbone. Send the tailbone up and the crown of the head away from each other. On your exhale, just release the heels down closer to the mat. Inhale again to lengthen. Squeeze, we're squeezing the abs, so sending the chest closer to the thigh. So release the head and look at your knees. Keep your fingers spread nice and wide. And then next, let's try to roll the shoulders slightly away from the heels to create a wee bit of space in the neck. Deep breath, lengthen through the spine, and exhale to release the heels, squeezing the core. Deep, deep breath. Generally, we'll hold this one for 4 breaths. As I was saying earlier, if you wish, you can use the blocks underneath the hands to help with the wrists. So let's practice this one again, starting on all fours, all joints aligned. Inhale, tuck the toes under at the back. Exhale, send the hips all the way up. Lengthen through the spine on the inhale, send that tailbone up. Crown of the head away from the tailbone. Exhale the heels down. Lengthen, straighten the legs, looking at your knees. Inhale to lengthen the spine again. And exhale to use the core muscles to get the chest closer to the thighs. Holding it for 5 breaths. Lovely. To come out, you can just exhale and release the knees down and sit back onto your heels. So here we are. I'd love to know how you got on. So comment below and let me know if you found this challenging, helpful, or if you felt muscles in places you didn't think you would. The pose of the week is also running as a mini challenge on Instagram, so go on over there, search for Clan Yogis, and have fun. See you next week.